So we are going to take another look at Clover Health Investments stock today, as it's just insane what is currently happening to the stock. After spiking more than 224% for a second time in just a few days, we are now however seeing some pullbacks from this incredible jump in price, currently sitting right under $10 again. So what we are going to do today is give you an updated insight into what is happening to Clover Health stock and break down exactly whether it is still a buy at the end. And as the analysis in the video is absolutely crucial to consider before buying the stock, make sure to stay tuned. But before we jump right in, just hit that subscribe button down below. And as we'll keep you updated on breaking news and awesome trading opportunities every single day, subscribing would not only help us but also you. So there is really no excuse for not smashing the subscribe button. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe if you feel so. Alright, so let's start talking about the stock. So Clover's stock price has pulled up by almost 100% on incredibly high volume at the beginning of the month, gapping up almost as much as the enormous short squeezes in January. And taking a look at some key statistics for the stock, you'll quickly find that the recent spikes actually have a lot in common with those. Shorts accounted for more than 43% of Clover Health's float, or the amount of shares available for trade. And this is exactly what made retail traders able to thrive the stock up by some crazy amounts, causing hedge funds to cover their position and make the price thrive even higher. But since we reached the recent highs of more than $15, we are seeing some huge pullbacks right now. What this also means, however, are even higher return possibilities, with more investors willing to buy at more reasonable prices. This especially holds true considering Clover's incredible high-growth business model. As mentioned before, the company provides an artificial intelligence-based platform that helps physicians deliver better care at lower costs, targeting mostly Medicare-eligible patients. It's nothing new that the population in a country like the US gets increasingly older, but this time it's also an awesome opportunity for investors to capitalize on. And with the most interesting product of the company being this artificial intelligence platform called Clover Assistant, the company is able to deliver on massively better predictions in the Medicare space as well as extremely high scalability. Where you needed to hire new doctors and staff, Clover Assistant can now help while hugely increasing profits and efficiency. But as the following is also extremely important before making any buy decision, we'll also have to talk about some key fundamentals of the company really quick. And here is where it gets crazy. So last year, Clover Assistant's penetration rate among existing members was 56%, a 43% year-on-year increase. The company's broad geographic influence in more than 100 markets in 7 different states in the US was able to generate a membership base of more 66,000 people, predicted to bring in a few $100 billion in the next years. Therefore, the strong-looking future and its ability to continually expand could make it one of the leaders of this industry. Since this is also very important for the prediction later on, we'll also take a quick look at the recent first quarter earnings report, and it is again ahead of analyst expectations. As said before, the company brought in $200 million for the last quarter, an increase of 21% year-on-year, with a membership growth expected to fall between 17 to 21%. So despite being the target of a lot of shorts, Clover Health continues to scale up its top line. Strong growth in revenue in the first quarter and last year is proving the potential to disrupt an insurance technology company. Looking forward, one of Clover Health's next short-term catalysts to look out for, aside from continued membership growth, is a new payment model sponsored by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services launched in April. As mentioned in one of our last videos about the stock, this protocol enables Clover Health to contract directly with doctors across the country to diagnose patients using the Clover Assistant, with the potential of generating between $20 million and $30 million in revenue. Alright, with that being it for today's video, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video and want to support our mission of providing free financial information to everyone here on YouTube, please ensure you're subscribed and definitely consider leaving a like. As mentioned before, it really means the world to us. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.